Welcome back to my channel in association with GPSmyCity. Milan, Italy.
GPSmyCity is a handy app with thousands of self-guided walks to help explore places you visit. Lose yourself without getting lost. Walking tours, travel articles, and offline city maps. The app turns your phone into a personal tour guide using the built-in GPS function. The tours and articles included in this app operate offline without any need of data plan or internet connection, so you don't need to worry about expensive roaming. The Dream World Explorer created a custom self-guided city tour using the GPSmyCity app to visit 11 attractions in Milan.
Getting around Milan is quite easy. Using your ATV pass, you can either travel on public transport by metro, underground metro, or tram. We're going to cheat a little on our first leg of our tour. We're going to travel by tram to the first sightseeing. The Arco della Peace, the Arch of Peace, the gateway to Milan. The Arch of Peace was built in 1807 and it was constructed to mark the link between Milan and Paris. The site was the ancient Roman site which marked the gateway to Milan with the ancient Roman wall. Torre Branca, located in Parco Sempione. It's the fourth highest structure in Milan, 108 metres high. It was built in 1933 and on the very top used to be a restaurant, but is now a viewing platform. On a clear day like today, you can see the entire city of Milan and possibly see the Alps. Let's go and have a look. Luckily, there's a lift to the top, so I don't have to do the stairs. A pleasant walk from the Arco della Pace, the Arch of Peace, to the Citadel is through the Parco Sempione. The Parc Sempione was originally built as a hunting ground for the Milan gentry. Castello Forzesco. It's the largest citadel in Europe. The walls were built by none other than Leonardo da Vinci. The Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II, actually the very first ever indoor shopping mall. Inside there are designer names like Gucci, Prada, Louis Vuitton, all started in this building. Milan Cathedral, or the Duomo, built from white marble and took over 600 years to build. And I can't believe this, I'm actually stood on the roof of the cathedral. Little traveller's tip: if you want to go inside the Duomo, don't pay to go inside the Duomo, pay to go on the staircase rooftop terrace. If you pay to go on the staircase rooftop terrace, it'll cost you about €11. You will get views from the top of the Duomo, but also the exit staircase brings you out inside the cathedral. Cheeky tip. Spritz Aperol. Spritz Aperol Alta Vola. Alta Vola means at the table. And what you get is olives, nuts and crisps, all for around €8. The Milan Blues Canal, perfect if you want a nice bar or restaurant by the waterside. Northern Italy is more famous for risotto as opposed to pasta. Speciality of Milan is risotto Milanese. Risotto Milanese is saffron, rice cooked with saffron and Parmesan cheese. Delicious. When in Italy, there is nothing better than the obligatory limoncello. Ooh. Ooh. Piazza di Santa Maria della Grazie. The Piazza di Santa Maria is where you need to be if you want to see the Leonardo da Vinci fresco of the Last Supper. However, just remember, if you do want to see it, you have to book 3 months in advance. Seriously. Over the street, the Bianco Latte, most famous in Milan for its gelato. Let's go and try some. The Bianco Latte, famous for gelato. Very nice. We're here in the Arco della Pace area. We're in the Cream Lounge. The Cream Lounge does a aperitivo. Aperitivo is basically a all-you-can-eat buffet. €12 gets you all-you-can-eat buffet and a drink. Actually here they do maxi drinks. So this is a Aperol Spritz Maxi. It's like a goldfish bowl. And that concludes our tour of Milan. If you've enjoyed my video, give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. I'll put some links in the description below and we'll see you on the next adventure.